Hello boss babes and bosses out there. So I'm back again giving you valuable information about freelancing or any topics about social media and digital marketing. So before I'm going to wrap up all of this e-commerce series natin, I'm going to talk first kung paano mag-retain ng clients. Yes, tapos na tayo kung paano gumawa ng pitch, gumawa ng cover letter, tapos na tayo sa pag-optimize ng Upwork profile natin and all. And if meron na kayong clients, that's good. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na kung meron na kayong clients, magre-retain talaga yan. You have to do things, mga strategies in order for the clients to stay doing business with you. Yan yung parang tricky part. Kaya nga sinasabi natin once na freelancing, it's not really a stable source of income since hindi natin alam since when magsastay ang client or since when hindi na makikipag-work sa atin si client, right? So, I will give you at least 3 strategies or 3 ways that you can encourage your client to stay working with you or doing business with you. So let me share my screen first. As you can see here sa screen natin, meron lang tayong tatlong ifo-focus na mga strategies on how to retain the clients. So first, offer retainers package. And then the second one is ask for a testimonial video in exchange for a discount monthly fee. And then the third is yung partners offer, yung referral commission type of thing siya. So I'm gonna share with you in detail kung ano yung ibig sabihin ko sa mga strategies na to. First, what you can do is to give a retainers package where magsiset ka ng onboarding fee. Meaning, iba yung rate na babayaran nila pag work nila first time sa'yo. Na-explain ko na to sa isang video natin na the reason why we set an onboarding fee is that because mas marami kang gagawin pag i-onboard mo yung client. For example, yung pag-setup pa lang ng account ni client. For example, it's really from scratch pa lang talaga. Therefore, you have to create a new account. You have to make sure that it is set up correctly. Tapos, ka-optimize din siya para mas madali siyang makita sa search engine, yung mga ganon. And meron pang mga task na need mong gawin sa onboarding stage. That's why I would highly recommend to ask for an onboarding fee. Ito namang sa baba, ito naman yung retainers fee. So, after mo onboard mo si client, let's say for this month, in-onboard mo siya. So, for the next month, you can ask for a lesser fee na. So, for first month, example, for the main offer, ang babayaran ni client is yung $850. So, for the next month, since hindi na siya onboarding wala ka na sa phase na onboarding, you are already maintaining the account, right? For the second month, then that would be the retainers fee na lang. Therefore, $700 na lang yung babayaran niya for the second month and so on. Unless, kung meron siyang gustong idagdag na naman na services, ayan, mag-change na naman yung amount mo. Pero kung the same pa rin sa mga months pa na dadating, yung retainers fee na yung susundin natin. That's what I mean by the retainers fee. If ever hindi nyo na-gets before, kasi I really believe na na-explain ko na tong retainers fee sa isang video natin. And then the next one is yung asking for a testimonial video in exchange for a discount monthly fee. Isa din tong strategy where good for marketing siya. At the same time, maiingan yung si client na gumawa ng video para magkaroon siya ng discount maybe sa isang month sa'yo. Like for example, ang binabayaran niya, let's say 700. Therefore, siguro bibigyan mo siya ng at least 10% off from that month para hindi 700 talaga yung gawin niya just by creating a short video testimonial. So, ang mangyayari dito, they will just need to create a short video testimonial about how you help them in their business. Like how your social media marketing business help their business as well. They will need to introduce their name and business name, of course, and what is their business all about. Dapat i-share nila kung paano mo sila na-help sa marketing side nila, and then their feedback and recommendations as well na mag-work sa'yo. This is a very simple layout that they can follow if they will ask, ano ba yung kind of video na gusto mo in exchange for a discount sa payment, yung ganun. So, hindi naman necessary na for the whole life na talaga na nag-work mag-work sila together with You My Discount. It's just really up to you. But for me, at least 1 month discount kung magawa sila ng video for you is already good. So, the third one is yung partner's offer. So, this is really like a referral commission. What I would say is that give a good amount para sa referral commission mo. Parang mas mainganya sila na i-refer ka talaga sa friends nila na may business din, sa relatives nila na may business din. Kasi kadalasan ng mga entrepreneurs, mga business owners, meron silang mga network of friends na the same din yung business or meron ding mga businesses na hinahandle. So, it would be really, really nice na ma-encourage sila na i-refer ka. So just make sure also that you give a good quality of service, diba? As what I have put here, word of mouth is still the best form and the most effective marketing. Yan talaga yung masasabi ko. Like, pag atong client na to, ni-refer ako sa iba na friend din nila, hindi mo na necessary talaga na mag-pitch ng service mo because yung client mo na yung nag-pitch ng service mo sa mga friends nila. So, diba? That's nice. This is just a very, very quick lang when it comes to how to retain clients, and I have another video on how to retain clients. Ito naman yung need mong gawin talaga as a social media manager, even if you are a virtual assistant or a bookkeeper, web designer or whatnot. You can check out this video here. I would highly recommend that you watch that kasi marami akong mga tips and value bombs na shinare doon kung paano ma-make sure na yung client is magstay or makig-work longer with you. If you are asking na ano ba yung pinaka matagal na client na nakipag-work sa akin, I would say siguro mga around 6 years na. Nagwo-work pa rin ako sa I guess 2 client or 3 client like for 6 years na I'm gonna put all the screenshots here para maniwala kayo. So yeah, those are my clients na still active pa rin ako nagwo-work sa kanila up until today. And yeah, dapat hindi nyo makalimutan yung activities na ipagawa ko for this video. First one is you have to decide what are the strategies that you will apply sa pag-retain ng clients. So, di ba, meron akong shinare sa inyo na 3 ways. Though, sa totoo, hindi lang yan lang 3 ways na para mag-retain yung clients niyo. But these are the 3 simple strategies or 3 simple ways that you can apply para magustuhan ni client na always makipag-work sa'yo. So, ano yung i-a-apply mo? Yung 3 ba? Yung 2 ba? Or yung 1 lang? Or wala? Or whatever. But I want you to pick at least 1 at least 1. And then comment your answer inside our Facebook group, private or public. And then for example, yung pinili nyo is yung referral commission. You also have to indicate how much discount rate yung ibibigay nyo kay client. So for example, merong napapasok si client na new client para sa business mo. Let's say you will give 10% discount or a real amount talaga. Let's say you will give $50, yung ganon, and then sabihin mo na lang na ikakaltas mo na lang sa fee niya sa next billing, yung mga ganon. You have to put kung ano yung strategy na gusto mong i-apply and as well as the amount na ibibigay mo. That's that. I hope that is clear. Please don't forget to comment below sa video na to na done if nagawa niyo na. And then we will go back to our roadmap kasi I will share to you the whole summary of this e-course series. So, see you on my next video. And yeah, if you like this kind of content, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on our Facebook page at BossedUp PH and on our Instagram accounts, �BrickSuy and at BossedUp PH. And of course, join our 2 Facebook groups. Meron tayong private and public. Join there. Don't forget to answer yung question na need yung sagutan before kayo mag-join kasi pag wala yung answer, automatic na nade-decline siya. So, see you on my next one. Bye!